In this video, we'll see how we can add product carousel in WordPress WooCommerce store for free. Like currently you can see this is product carousel we have created. There are multiple styling options. You can style it as per your requirement. We will create this product slider for free. Let's go. Here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now to add product slider, what we can do, like currently you can see this is my website, and I have created a home page with Elementor. And as you can see, when you search for product slider, you don't get any option. You get only products. You can't able to add slider. But we'll see how we can add product slider for free. For that, what will install a Elementor add-on that will be free to use. Using that, we'll add product slider. Okay. To go on plugins, click on add new plugin. Here just search Elementor. Then I will tell you which Elementor add-on you need to download, through which we will create product slider. Here you can see premium add-ons for Elementor. Click on install and activate it. Now here just set up it, enable whichever functionality you want to enable. So what I will do, I will switch on all the free widget as of now. You can leave it as it's all upon you. Now after enabling, now you go to your site. Now here currently you can see this is my edit with Elementor. I will add a new section. Here you can see there are multiple products. Now I will select Woo products. Here you can see this is my Woo product. Now in here you can see carousel option. Like currently you can see it will have a carousel. I will show you. Here you can see it has a carousel. You can change the style from here. There are multiple styling options. Quick. This is my default scene. What I will do now, go on carousel setting. Show arrow. If you want to show arrow, show dot. Here you can see dot on bottom. Number of product you want to say. Product to say per slider. You can change from here. You can go on mobile view. You can also change the product slider from here. Like if you want to show two products, you can change from here for all different view. Now if you want to enable auto slide, you can enable it. If you want to enable pause on over, you can enable it. Now query. Here, which product you want to show here. You can show like I want to show only specific category product like plant. I will show only plant. Here you can see. So you can select as per your requirement. Even if you want to exclude some product, you can exclude using this. Now display option. What do you want to display? So I don't want to display rating as of now. Okay, here you can see. Quick, if you can manage what do you want to display. Place title above image. No. So you can select as per your requirement. Here you can say add to cart position where it will be display. Now quick view, I don't want a quick view. If you want, you can enable it. Sale feature ribbons, that will be out of stock ribbon. Now in styling part from here, you can style. How? Currently you can see column spacing. From here you can change, increase or decrease. If you want to add box shadow, you can add from here. If you want to add radius, you can add from here. So there are multiple options. You can add background. You can add border from here. Now image, swap image. There are multiple type of image hover style. You can change as per your requirement. Product. I don't want to description. We are not displaying now. Add to cart button. You from here. You can style and change the add to cart button color. Like currently, you can see my add to cart on whole website is like this. I will also change it to red color. Can you see it's a red color? Then you can add border in it, or you can manage padding from here. Now it's matching to my current view. Here you can see you can increase width as per your requirement. So there, when rating you can style from here, pricing, title, category, these things you can style from here. Okay. Now if still after that, if you want to style more, then you can use custom CSS to style it. Very simple. You can go on Carousel. From here you can change the size. Here you can see slider size. You can change from here. From here you can change the dot color or dots. Here you can see. That's how you can easily add slider or product carousel in your website. Now let's key and see on front end. Here you can see this is the product carousel we have added. Very simple. It will be automatic carousing, or you can add it and you can open any product. So that's how very easily you can create product carousel in WordPress for free. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.